Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Princess Krisha. And guys, ipakita ko sa inyo itong lovebird namin, guys. Meron kaming lovebird dito. Ayan. Ayan, guys. Ngayon, bumili rin kami ng pagkain nyo, guys, sa supermarket. Kasi naubusan siya ng pagkain. Ayan guys, ito yung pagkain na binili namin guys for the diet for health. Ayan. For the bird. Ayan guys. Ayan siya. This one guys, from Jamia or supermarket. Ito. Ang dami niyang food guys. Ayan. Ayan. Tatlo po yan dati. Ngayon, yung isa nakawala. Yung isa naman namatay. Ayan, kaya siya na lang mag-isa guys. Ayan. Tsaka itong bird na ito yung gusto ko. Kasi may kulay guys. Diba? Ang galing. Ayan siya guys. Hi! Lovebird! Hello! You want food? Yes, this is a lovebird. And you know guys, we have also another one bird here. He's big also. Okay? Ayan guys, this is Parrot. He's talking also. Ayan. Hi. You know guys, he's mentioned our name here. Sometimes. Hi. Hello. His name is Smokey. This is Parrot guys. He know how to talk, but now he's silent. Ayan. Hi Smokey. How are you? Like that, he's only listening. And you know guys, this is so expensive also guys. If you buy this kind of bird, this is expensive. Ayan. He's listening only. He's silent this time. Ayan guys. Yung door niya is open. Ayan guys, you know guys, he's coming out from his cage. Hi Smokey! Smokey! Hello, can you talk please? Why you're silent today? Smokey! Calm down. Come here. Come. He's going back inside the cage. And guys, he don't want to go outside. Smokey. Hello. Okay, I close your door. Ayan guys. You don't want to go out. Okay, bye, Smokey. Ayan, guys. Yan lang po, guys. Sana nagustuhan yung video ko. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, Princess Krisha. And hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa susunod kong video. Thanks for watching. Bye!